Greeting you, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching Financial Market Review with me, Slava Ismailova, Grand Capital Analyst. Let us start with intraday Euro-USD. Last week's low at 1.3384 is set to be broken, leaving the 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 1.3232 exposed. Monday's Asian session high at 1.3585 will become a bull failure, keeping Euro bears on course for the 1.3000 level this week. Corrective upside risk is limited to 1.3585, which is protected by 1.3489. Weekly chart Euro-USD trend is bearish. Intraday USD GPY remains trapped between 76.10 and 76.97, and the lower of the end range is likely to be challenged. A push below 76.30 would expose the 76.10 low, threatening further weakness to the August 19th all-time low at 75.94. A recovery above 76.43 would provide respite and reopen Monday's Asian session high at 76.76. Weekly chart USD GPY trend is bearish. Intraday Great Britain Pound US Dollar. There is scope for more corrective gains as pressure builds on resistance at 1.55. However, upside risk is limited to the 1.5635 area, where GBP bears will look to prompt a fresh wave of pressure towards last week's 2011's low at 1.5329. Longer-term GBP bears are still on course for the 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 1.5061. Weekly chart GBP USD trend is bearish. Intraday US dollar Swiss franc. The push above 0.90282 paves the way for further gains towards 1.618 Fibonacci extension target at 0.184. This 0.914 target is the last line of defense, protecting the September 22nd reaction high at 0.9183. Only a setback below 0.9030 would put USD bears in control, exposing Friday's low at 0.8996. Weekly chart USD Swiss franc trend bullish. Intraday Australian dollar US dollar. The push into fresh 10-month lows brings downside targets at 0.9610 and 0.9449 into focus. Failure to hold onto Friday's low at 0.9669 extends the powerful 2-month downtrend towards wave equality at 0.9610, but the structure of the bear wave of September 1st lower high at 1.0766 suggests there is room for concerted weakness to 0.9889. Resistance at 0.9876 limits the scope for corrective gains. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bearish. You have watched Technical Analysis with me, Ismailova Slava. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I'm wishing you good trade and see you later.